Hi guys, it's Mr. Smith, and we are going to do something really cool for science class. So, I have this game called Tyto Ecology, and in this game you build your biome. So, basically this is building a biodome, which is really can be a lot of fun. So, this used to be a game you could play on iPad, but they don't allow it anymore. I don't know why, but you can't put it on iPad, but you can play it on Steam. And that's what I'm doing. So, what we're going to do is you guys are going to do some research in class today and pick which kind of biodome you want to make. So let me show you what your choices are so you know what to research. So we could do a desert biome, the Mojave Desert, which is a desert in the United States. We could do the Amazon rainforest biome. We could do the Great Plains biome. Oh, let me show you the pictures for all these. This is the Mojave Desert. This is the Amazon rainforest. There's turtles. Look at the turtles. That one's a fun one. We did that one year. This is the Great Plains. Look at the doggy. Hi. Woof woof. This is the Himalayan forest. This one looks pretty cool. Rush green valleys to highest mountain peaks on Earth. The Himalayas are home to a wide variety of rare wildlife. We could do the Alaskan tundra, which is a snow biome. Or the Cretaceous Mongolia, which is dinosaurs. I think this is the one we did last. So, I mean, you guys, there's only one person in class that's been here for a while, so it's only really going to be repetitive to him. So, if you guys vote on that, we could do that one, I guess. So, again, your choices are the Mojave Desert biome, the Amazon rainforest, the Great Plains, the Himalayan forest, the Alaskan tundra, or the Cretaceous Mongolia, which is 70 million years ago. So you guys are going to choose one of those and vote in class, and you will decide what biome we make in class. So before we do, though, I want to go over some vocabulary. So we'll look in the glossary. So there's a few words we're going to go over, and you're going to learn as we go here. So the first few words are the most important ones. So what do we need to know? So first of all, we're going to do the word producer. So we're going to learn about producers and their job in the environment. And a producer is an organism that is able to create its own nutrients to survive and does not consume other organisms. So guys, talk about that for a minute. Mr. Smith's probably going to pause the video. You can discuss what kind of things might be producers, what might not be producers, and then we'll go from there. So, okay, so hopefully you pause the video and you discuss that. So now we're going to look at another word. This word is consumers. So producers produce their own energy, right? So a consumer is an organism that consumes other organisms to survive. So we're going to learn more about that as we go, but I'm going to have you pause and discuss what a consumer would be. What is an organism that consumes other organisms to survive? What does that look like? What does that mean? It's very important. Okay, so hopefully you discuss those two things. What else can we discuss before we go into what we're going to talk about, what we're going to do? So, there's lots of good vocabulary here. We're going to learn a lot. So, there's another one. I want to go over pollinator. So, what is a pollinator? A pollinator is an animal that pollinates plants, usually through the process of collecting nectar from the plant. So you guys can talk about what pollinators mean, or if you don't know, that's okay. We're going to learn all about them as we go. We will learn about, where was it? Decomposers, an organism that breaks down matter from dead plants and animals so that it can be reused in the ecosystem by other organisms. Most decomposers will consume either plant or animal matter, but not both. In your biodome, however, decomposers will consume any type of detritus. Now, let's see what detritus is since they brought it up. So decomposers will consume any type of detritus. So detritus is waste material. So detritus is things that are left over from the animals and plants in your biodome. Whatever kind of waste they make, decomposed things, decomposed plants. Think about, for animals, what does waste material look like? It's kind of gross, but we'll discuss that. We'll learn more about that. We will discuss the word herbivore, an animal that eats plant matter such as leaves, seeds, fruits, roots, or bark. And then, so that's something that eats plants. We're going to learn about... Where's the word? It's not here. The word carnivore is the other one I was going to go over, but it isn't up there. Carnivore. Why isn't carnivore here? That's crazy. Carrion, camouflage, carrion, consumer, crepuscular. I don't know what that means. Am I thinking spelling it wrong? It's not spelled with a K, is it? Nope. I don't know why carnivore is not there. That's weird. But a carnivore is something that eats meat, so it eats other animals. And an omnivore is an animal who eats meat, plants, and insects. So an omnivore will eat just about anything. So, guys, that's going to do it for this review of vocabulary. Mr. Smith is going to help you research the different biomes so that you can pick which one you want Mr. Smith to play. And then we are going to watch over the next few weeks as Mr. Smith plays this game and develops a biome that you will be involved with. So you'll pick the animals and plants and things that we add. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think you guys who are new to me are going to like this. I hope you're going to like it. Maybe you won't. I don't know. But you got to go through it anyways. So might as well like it, right? Okay, so we'll go over more of this vocabulary every time. But for now, that's what we're going to talk about today. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're going to do some good research and pick a good biodome for Mr. Smith to smart. So start. Blah. So anyways, guys, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed your Monday. I know it's Monday, but we can still have fun at school, right, guys? At least you're in a classroom where people play video games for you. Anyways,